Hello guys, good morning. Okay, this is my experimental routine for a random day today, because after 3 or 4 months I'm inside the house because of the Doha's weather, super hot. I decided to do an experiment this early today, so I could know if I can walk on my favorite place here in Doha. I'm waiting for the metro train now. I'm in metro station, going to the main station in Musharraf, which online is available. Oh, it's here now. Today is, I forgot the date. Anyway, I can see it in the say yes. Yes, I'm inside now. It's empty, not empty actually. There's a few people. Yes, so I gear up today, do my exercise routine, walking. Yeah. So I already have decided which place I will go to walk. And first, this train will go to the. I will drop, or I will.
The next station is Sport City. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings
I will get off on the Musharraf station, because as I said before, all the lines there, red, green, yellow lines are there for the connection of all the places here in Qatar. Okay guys, I will come back again when I got there, okay? When I get off on the ocean. Bye! Hello guys! Now nandito na ako sa my destination ko for my exercise routine. Naku po, medyo hindi ko po makita yung gotta see the camera. No, may phone screen pala. Kasi nagbe-blur po yung sunglass ko because it's so humid here. Hindi ko na-check what's the temperature now. So I'm here. I will not say the place. Those people who always go around Doha will know this place is where it is. See that one? That's they called Crescent Moon Building. Kita ba? Actually, it's blur. My sunglasses is blur. This is somewhere in Lusail. Yeah. I just don't want to put or mention the exact location. I like here kasi it's not always busy. Usually, it is more busier than night because that is more less humid. It's a slightly cool breeze. I like here because it's near the, I don't know if this is ocean or sea or lake. I'm sorry for the description. I'm not sure nga if this is a natural or a man-made. See here, I don't know if it's actually I didn't see it. It's blur. I think kaya ko naman yung weather. I didn't check what's the temperature. Pero usually, the regular days, last Friday, like last weekends, when we go out with my family, in the morning, 9 a.m. is already 40 degrees. Then 10:30 a.m. it's 50 degrees. Diba? Super hot. Pero ngayon, there's an water around here. Di ko matawag kung ocean or sea to. Because parang it looks like a man-made to me. I'm not sure this is natural or winide na lang nila to, or so I could just will ano na lang, call it body of waters. Wow. Near the body of waters. Wow. Yeah. This is usually busy at night because there's a food stall around here. I forget what's this area called. It's with Arena food. Like that. In Lusail. Yeah. Nung maganda pa ang weather dito kami tumatambay. Park kasi ito. Look at the grass. Beautiful. We just put all our stuff like a regular weekend picnic. Yeah. We bring food. Kasi pwede lang dito. Wala pa ang nilakad ko, hinihingal na ako agad. Because it's my first time again for the last 3 or 4 months that I'm inside in the house because of those weather. I think this year, 2024, is the most humid and super hot year for me. Because last year, dito tayo sa kabila para makita niyo yung parang marina here. Last year, it's less humid because I think 3 or 4 times na umulan last year. So it's more cool than last year, than this year. Ito yata, this is the very hottest year for me. Parang hindi pa nga, wala pang ulan. It's already, na ngayon, August. I don't know. Iba-iba talagang weather. Weather lang. That's it. Sarado pa yan, mga yan. I think usually they open 12 or 1. It's different. Sometimes my 11:30 a.m. Some are open 1 in the afternoon. My 3, my 4 in the afternoon. And onwards. That's the famous Crescent Moon or Moon Building. Yeah. This is what I like here. So peaceful. Feel lang ang people. It's very hangin. Yeah. Pero mainit. Let's see how long I can stand. And maybe later I can check what is the temperature now. Pero I think I could estimate this weather. It's not 40. Or maybe I have only a gear. It's hot. The this hoodie. I think wala pang 40 degrees right now. And it's already, I think it's already 10. But last Friday, we already checked it talagang 10:30 a.m. It's already 50 degrees. And we're still inside the car pa dyan. Medyo malamig pa kasi malamig sa loob ng car. Pero pag lumabas ka, ay, yeah. Yung tipong paglabas mo ng car, pupunta ka ng mall, patakbo kang papasok sa entrance ng mall dahil sa sobrang init. Yeah, that's the feeling. That's the arena. See? I see those e-bikes, but I don't know how to operate this one. I don't know if you see it. I don't know, because it's blurry, my mans. Oh gosh. Kung makita, kung nakikita yun, e-bike, ewan ko kung bakit nyo. Yeah, that one. Wow. I don't understand how it operates. Kung Bluetooth siya, tapos you will pay online on that. Mga 1 real. I don't know what, kasi tinry lang namin kung paano i-operate, but we didn't use talaga. Because I cannot understand it. Parang magbabayad kang 1 real tapos through debit or credit card magbabayad kasi i-scan mo yung barcode. And I don't know how many minutes or 1 real per 15 minutes or 30 minutes, I don't know. Hiningal yata ako because I'm talking. Maybe it's 35 degrees. Kasi if 40 degrees, it's already too much for me. Alam ko hindi na ako makakalakad pa ng konti. Pero maybe I have this scare. Kaya siguro I can stand right now to walk. Mahaba to. It's like if I go to Cornish, I know Cornish is maybe 3 times or 4 times longer than this. Here it's just only 2 times. So I will go back again. Oh, inhale, exhale. Mainit na. Oh. Lalo pa siguro if I don't have this gear, this cap, there's hoodie, and naka-leggings ako. Rubber shoes. Yeah. But it's good thing na kahit it's humid, the air is blowing around here. So parang presko pa rin. Mainit nga lang yung hangin. Yeah. I think I will be until here, and I want to come back there. Parang isang ikot lang ako. Hindi na ako tatlo or 4. Usually that's my regular, because this is my first time again. Slowly lang, hinay-hinay muna. Yes, then I will continue the next 2 or 3 days. If I gain momentum, maybe I could walk 3 or 4 times the length of this one. Here, you see, it's beautiful. The body of water. The body of water is calm. Sometimes it's wavy. Hoo-hoo. I wanna love. Hoo-hoo. Ah. Oh. Okay, guys, I just cut here and I'll see you back later pag sakay na ako ulit to a tram. Oh yeah, tram and metro train is the same, but when you're in Lusail they call it the train here is tram. Yeah, because there's another different set of lines here. I think they have, no, it's open now, the pink and the orange line. The turquoise and the purple one is still closed. I don't know. So what's the announcement on what month it will be open, or if this is this year or next year. So let's check. Makikita ko naman pag open na yung dalawang line na yun. I will explore. Yes, Jenny Lynn, the Explorer. Wow. Okay guys, I will cut here and be back later. Bye. Hi guys. Ito. Again. Yeah. Now we're inside the Lusail tram. Oh my God, andyan na yung tram. Faster. Ay, wala pa. 3 minutes pa daw. I still have time to catch my breath. Wow. On the other side pala yung tram na yun. I don't know if you can see. But it's on the other side, yeah. Yeah, we're now here. And Lusail tram going to, I will get off, hiningal ako on Moshereb metro station. Ang init na kasi nasa dito tayo sa loob. Hi. Oh, look at my sweat. See, I spent less than 30 minutes I think, and I already checked it guys. The temperature after I stop my last film, as I check, is 38 degrees. So tama ako while walking a few minutes pala. What I estimated is, you see, look at the pawis, look at this. I think it's just 20 minutes that the length going and come back here in this tram. So I'll get off on Moshereb metro station. Inhale, exhale. Look at the sweat guys. That is, I think, after I check it, that is 35, and after I check it, it's 38 degrees. The temperature and the time kanina is 11:20 a.m. See, maybe next time I will go earlier. Like I will leave on the house at 8. I can wake up early because kanina I already start leaving the house. It's already 9:35 a.m. So it's here. The tram. Oh my God, I forgot the card. Wait. The card. Wait.
This tram
Hindi
is
ko nakuha
for
agad yung card ko.
The next
station is Marina Central.
الترام متجه إلى الطيفية. المحطة التالية هي المارينا.
Ano ba yan? Kumalong. Di bago balaw na siya.
We are now approaching Marina Central.
الترام يقترب من داخل المارينا.
Because you know, when you come in the tram here in Leslie, you need to tap your Metro card. Then if you go out also, you need to tap again. Actually, they're not getting the payment. It's the same thing. Example, your credit here is 15 reals. When you tap,
This station
it's
is
coming
Marina
side.
Central.
It's 14
هذه
reals.
المحطة هي المارينا.
Nabawasan ng 1 real, right? Kasi it will show on the machine and the entrance of the Nostalgia Club. Then if you leave, you get off the train and transfer to the red line in Masharet when you get out. Sorry.
This
When you
tram is for
tap in
Lake
again your
Taytay.
card,
The next
it still
station
will return
is
the 1 real. So
Marina Town.
it will still remain 15 reals.
المحطة
Parang
التالية هي
pagbayad tapos binalik lang sa'yo. That's how it goes in the tram. It's different in metro station. It's only one
We
time
are
in
now
metro station.
approaching
They
Marina
open all
Town.
the
الترام يقترب من
metro station places. Look at my food. It's worth it naman. I think kasama yung mga ano ko lang to air or what we call
This
breaker
station
na
is Marina Town.
sporty clothes
هذه المحطة هي
para